We are finally on the last day of the Playhouse build, which means we need to install all the trim on it and do some final touch-ups. So let's get to work. We're finally on the last day of this Playhouse build, which means it's time to install some trim all around it. So let's get it done today. So when it comes to trimming out my Playhouse, I'm going to keep it really simple. I'm going to use 1x4s, 1x6s, and I think one 1x10. And I'm not going to do any miter cuts. It's going to be all butt joints. So it's going to be simple, easy, and quick. We just want to cover up some rough edges like the corners of the Playhouse, trim out around the door to make it look a little better, and trim out around a few other things. Let's get to work. So I'm going to start trimming stuff out on this back side because it's going to be a little difficult on this back side with this railing in the way, but it won't be too bad. So I'm going to get to measuring and start trimming out. Time to make our first cuts, 85.5. You guys understand the measuring and cutting part, so I'm just gonna keep it on the Playhouse and do the cutting behind the scenes. All right, so looking at some things a little more, I gotta do this board here first, then I can do that board on that side. It'll make sense here in a bit. It's just how they're gonna overlap. So I kinda got a new method to my madness. I'm making my top cuts, and I'm gonna leave all this at the bottom overhanging. And basically what that is gonna allow me to do is come back and cut everything flush. So I'm not gonna worry about these cuts for now. I'm just gonna work on this corner. We'll come back and make it right. All right, now I need to make a little cut here. So I'm gonna leave this corner how it is, and I'm actually gonna work on this side right now because it's just gonna make it a little easier, I think. And then we'll come back to the back. So that side's done. Now let's do the bottom piece. To do this bottom piece, I'm just gonna sink one nail in right here, and that's just to tack it in place. And come to this other side and go mark right where we need to cut. And pull it out, make my cut. Use my level here, level out the board. Come to this side, same thing, level it out best I can. The last thing I wanna do is just frame out around this piece right here, and then we just need to put a window up top. And I almost forgot. While I'm at it, I'm gonna cut these bottom parts off. Now let's do some framing around this 4x6 and then do the window. And real quick, I also kind of notched out in here so that it would go around this bracket. I just think it makes it look a little more better and flush. So now I'm gonna nail this piece in, and I got the other piece up, and then we'll set the piece on top. Now I just gotta go up top and cut a window on this side. The first thing I gotta do is put blocking at the top and the bottom of how tall I want the window. So I'm gonna bang these in and nail them in. Now let's cut the hole. So when it comes to trimming out this window, we're gonna do two things. First thing we're gonna do is trim out the inside, cover up these rough 2x4s and this rough edge. Then we're gonna go outside and put trim around the outside, and we'll be good. Let's trim out the outside. We finally have one side done. So you guys got the gist of what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna keep working away and get the trim done. Go down the slide. Let's go get the backside done. Let's go do the front. So real quick for the front, I'm just gonna put trim around the sides and the top and just make like a big U with the trim essentially. I'm not gonna put anything on the bottom. I'm gonna use a 1x6 to go up the sides and a 1x10 to cover that front area. And just like that, the trim's done on the Playhouse, so that means the Playhouse is officially built. Well, for now, because this spring, I'm gonna have to paint it and do a few other things to it. So make sure and stay tuned for that. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like so you don't miss the future plans I have for this Playhouse. And as always, the links to all the products and materials that I used will be listed in the description down below. Thank you to those of you who have followed along this build, and if you missed any other parts of the series, just head to my homepage and they'll all be there. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you all in the next video.